What can we expect from Qualcomm's upcoming Q4 report? The answer is not as straightforward as one might think. The anticipated earnings per share, or EPS, for Q4 has seen a dramatic decrease of 25.9% year-over-year. We've moved from 3.36 per share to just 1.91 per share. That's a hefty 43.3% reduction. The anticipated revenue isn't faring much better, with a drop of 25.4% year-over-year. This translates to a reduction from $12.218 billion to $8.519 billion. If we look back at Qualcomm's previous performance, they managed to beat the EPS but fell short of the revenue target in the last quarter. Now there's an expectation of even lower EPS and revenue year-over-year. With the EPS and revenue expected to be lower year-over-year, it's clear that Qualcomm is facing some significant challenges. Despite the anticipated decrease in earnings, Qualcomm is making strides in several strategic sectors. They're celebrating their 11th consecutive quarter of year-over-year double-digit percentage growth in the QCT automotive sector. In mobile platforms, Qualcomm's Snapdragon series continues to set the bar high, powering Samsung's latest flagship devices. The company is also making significant moves in the 5G smartphone market, with redesigns aimed at bringing premium experiences at lower costs, accelerating the transition from 4G to 5G. In the automotive industry, Qualcomm held its first automotive summit in Suzhou, China, securing over 10 new design partnerships with leading automakers. In the realm of consumer IoT, they've initiated collaborations in China's VR and MZR developer ecosystem, and the Meta Quest 3 is now Snapdragon-powered. In computing, their next-gen PC platform with integrated custom Orion CPUs is on track for commercial readiness. And in networking and industrial IoT, they're making headway with Wi-Fi 7 customer design and collaborations with major players like Arrow Electronics. With a focus on these strategic sectors, Qualcomm is positioning itself to ride the wave of future technological advancements. Qualcomm's CFO, Akash Palkhiwala, recently provided a financial update that sheds light on the company's current financial situation. He emphasized the non-GAAP revenues of $8.4 billion from the third quarter. This sum was a blend of $7.2 billion from their chipset business and $1.2 billion from their licensing business. Additionally, he highlighted the recent sale of VEO Near's active safety business, which brought in net cash proceeds of $1.5 billion. Looking forward, the forecast for the fourth quarter is just as intriguing. They predict revenues to fall in the range of $8.1 billion to $8.9 billion, with a non-GAAP EPS of between $1.80 and $2. While Qualcomm is executing their vision of bringing connectivity, high-performance computing, and generative AI to the edge, it's important to approach this stock with caution. Buyer beware. For more information, the description is below to join a community of like-minded traders.
Arieous Invest. Trading reimagined.